Take this problem. See the problem, read the problem, what are they given now. The given problem, given figure, a block is projected along the rough inclined plane, mu value given with a speed of 50 meters per second. Find the distance traveled by the block before coming to rest. Okay. So you can see now here. Now here the block is moving. How it is moving? Up or down? How the block is moving? Up or down? Read the problem. Read the problem. What they given? See the problem. What they given? How the velocity of a body? How the velocity of a body? Then how it will move down here? Velocity of a body. Don't read the body problem properly. Read and understand. A block is projected along the rough inclined plane. Projected. Projection means how should be done? Up or downward direction. With a speed of this much. How the velocity of a body? That means the body moving upward direction. After moving some distance, then the body velocity completely will be zero. The body will come to rest. Yes, from here to here, how much the distance they ask you to find? What will be the displacement of a body when before coming to rest? Tell me now, what is the initial velocity of a body? What is the initial velocity of a body? Yes, initial velocity of a body. U value how much now? 50 meters per second. Next, final velocity. Final velocity how much? 0. Next, acceleration. Acceleration. How the body moving? Yeah, acceleration, that minus sign indicate opposite direction. Minus sign indicates body moving upward direction, but acceleration is downward direction. Body moving upward direction. If I throw a body upward direction, gravity is what direction? Body, how the body moving upward direction? I have thrown the body. Body velocity is which direction? Upward direction. Acceleration is. Then how will the body moving upward direction moving or not? Yes, so in this case, body is moving which direction? Acceleration is downward direction. So here you tell me now, body moving upward direction. What is the acceleration of a body? Up or down we need? A up or A down we need? Yes, now here body movement we need to talk. Minus sign indicate the opposite direction. Body moving which direction now? Upward direction. So up acceleration we should consider. And if it is moving downward direction, downward accelerations. So what is the acceleration of a body now here? So that means acceleration, which is equal to what? Tell me now here. That is minus g into what? Tell me now. Sine theta plus mu cos theta. That minus sign indicate the opposite to the velocity in this case. Now here we need to find the displacement. We need to find, I will give the values also here. We know now. So this is A is equal to what? Tell me now. Minus G. Take the G value 10. And how much the theta given? 37. Sin 37 value 3 by 5. Mu value how much now? 1 by 2. Cos 37 value 4 by 5. So then tell me now here, what is the acceleration of a body now here? This is minus 10 into what you tell me now here. This is 2's now will get cancelled 5. So that is 1 minus 10. So this is the acceleration, right? Now you tell me now here we need to find the displacement now. That is equal to x, we need to calculate. Yeah, which formula we apply now? Tell me now. Yeah, so what formula now here? So v square minus u square, which is equal to what? Tell me now. 2as. We need the displacement v square value. How much now? Final velocity 0. Initial velocity 50 square, which is equal to what? Tell me now. 2 into a value minus 10 and s value is x na. Find the x value. So that minus will get cancelled. So that is 50 into 50 by, so this is 2 into 10. Yes, which will come to be what? Tell me now here. Yes, 25. So that is 125 meters. Okay.